natural health for beginners.
How to make clay mask for oily skin with exact quantities. If you're searching for a natural and effective way to manage oily skin, this tutorial is for you. Learn how to make a DIY clay mask tailored for oily skin using precise measurements to achieve the perfect consistency and maximum benefits. Ingredients and quantities: Kaolin clay or bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons. These clays help absorb excess oil, unclog pores, and detoxify the skin. Apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Balances skin pH and provides a mild exfoliating effect. Distilled water or rose water, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Adds hydration and adjusts the consistency of the mask. Tea tree essential oil, 2 to 3 drops, fights acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation. Aloe Vera Gel, 1 teaspoon. Soothes and hydrates the skin while preventing overdrying. Instructions: in a non-metallic bowl, combine the clay and apple cider vinegar. Gradually add distilled water or rose water to achieve a smooth, paste-like consistency. Stir in tea tree oil and aloe vera gel for added skin benefits. Apply the mask evenly over your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's almost dry. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Tips for best results: use the mask 1 to 2 times per week for optimal oil control. Always follow up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Test the mask on a small patch of skin first to check for any sensitivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.